Today I'm going to show how to create text fade animation in Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool and type the text you need. Then go to Properties and change however you want it to look. Now go to Effects and search for Linear Wipe and add the text effect to the text layer 2 different times. Under Effect Controls, click the Stopwatch button for transition completion. Then modify the value to 100%. Now change Wipe Angle to -90, and Feather should be set to 900. Move your timeline a bit and set Transition Completion to 0%. Click a Stopwatch button in Transition Completion to 0% and modify the Feather to 900.